How's everybody feeling out there about right now? If you're feeling good, say Yorana. Thank you so much. In a few short minutes, we are going to do our tribute to Papa Gerardo. In a few short minutes here, they're almost ready back here. Once again, we want to thank each and every one of you for coming out here and supporting our Hura Tahiti competition for this weekend. Special thanks to all the performers. For yesterday, we had 300 soloists, and today, our group performers, thank you so much. You all did a phenomenal job. Good luck to each and every one of you. We want to thank our judges for a wonderful job. Doing a great job out there. You know, how about a round of applause for our judges? Woo. Alrighty. Once again, this is our tribute.
(1963) in Papeete, Tahiti. Married to Timau Marie Noel, also known as Mama Tahia. Father of 5. Ina, Vaioho, Moirani, Emma, and Punua. Grandfather of Aplas, Princess, Onyx, Vallejo, Ringo, Takiru, and Cotton. Hidden child, Hereti, Tahirura. Filled with an immense wisdom and especially a lot of love for his neighbor. The strongest of the cartoon heroes and the rival of Charlie Chaplin. He was the best comedian that Hollywood will ever have the chance to produce on any scene. Apart from To'ata, his headquarters, were the streets of Papeete. It was one of the only places he knew inside and out. He often said that words had a great power. A little word does not exist. It is only air that comes from your mouth that emits a particular sound, but has the power to do as much harm as good. And a maker of traditional musical instruments. He was one-of-a-kind man, endowed with a big heart. Like Kevin said, a big heart bigger than his butt. Joke. He instilled in his children and many others, young and old, the taste for music, recognized in the world of Ori Tahiti, especially by his participation in the Hura Ava Tahiti. Loved by everyone, and his motto was Ahere Te Ata, love people, love your neighbor.
Te waiwai no ara te ite me haro te tata. Ai tā te ite I papai hia, na ha, wa paraui, e wa whaoi. Ai tā te mata tata I te reira, e wa ite hia rā e te tunu. Wa whaoi pa te nei au. Wa tau te tumunu, e wa wharo te rewa. Wa tau te tumutai, e wa wharo te tai. Wa tau te tumu whanau ora, e wa wharo te whinu. Wa hamani te atua nui o taro, i te tata e rawerai. I mamma i e te parau, no te nuna. I roto i te tau, wa hio, wa wharo, wa hapi, wa hio poa. He taramai, i te e maha.
even though he doesn't know you. So, most of these people here, drummers, he have helped them and become who they are now. We have his wife with us. His name is Tahiti, and we'd like to present her with a plaque so that to show her how much her husband was loved. It says, Hura Tahiti of Southern California in memory of Gerard, an outstanding musician and artisan. Gerardo was well known and widely respected in the Tahitian community. He will always be remembered for his kind heart, extraordinary fidelity. 1963 to 2017. How about a big hand for Tahiti?
Whatever toma tomi tuatani, I te tuara, hoe me tuatani, I tona o tuawhari. Hoe aito no te orero, e reo no te nuna, te I mahana, te I whaahanahana ne te mauroipe ia oe, te here e te roha, ia te wheti I te pehu. Vai no oe, no mato Papa Gerard. Mai te tau e te tau, e a muri no atu. Haurungu no te pahu! Te batirio te whakete. Te tai o te moana, te tari paraoe. E reo no te whenua, te reo no te toere. Nuna moe, atomo mai!
Okay. I guess I have to know. Well, thank you again for being with us in memory of Tahiti's husband. At this time, are you ready to hear the award? All right. For sure you don't want to wait until tomorrow? No. Okay, thank you again. We will prepare ourselves and then we'll give you the award. Oh, you want to take a picture? Yeah. Okay.
round of applause for our drummer. And once again, a round of applause for those that pay tribute to the Aparima, to Papa Gerard. Thank you so much. That was a wonderful presentation. Our loved ones will never be forgotten because the talent lives on. Alrighty, in a few seconds here, we're going to change the seatings out here. We're going to start our awards without any flaws. How many of you are excited to hear what the outcome is? All right. That is so wonderful. All right, we want to thank you for all spending some time with us again. Thank you so much. I see a few celebrities in the house here. Some of these people I haven't seen in so long. My friend John Gerard, one of the finest performers. Very talented with his lovely wife, Luana. Good to see you guys. Alrighty. And my family from Carson that was making all kinds of noise over here on the left. Sister Joy. Okay. Alrighty, thank you so much. And here we are. We've got the magic sheet in our hands. And here we go. We ready to rock and roll? Okay, we got the finger. It says 1 more minute. 1 second. 1 minute. 1 second. 1 second. Once again, how about a round of applause for our hardworking judges for the last 2 days? We got Tuco, Moena, our head judge, Lucy, and Romeo. Romeo, I'm telling you, he can move it.
We're going to see him dance in just a little bit.
Yes, squeeze in for the picture. There you go, Romeo. Get your seat closer. Lucy don't bite, so sit close to Lucy. She don't bite, she just nibble. She just nibble a little bit. Oh yeah. No, she don't bite. She's very, very gently. All right, are we ready? Almost. Don't forget, Summerland, this coming June the 25th. June the 25th. How many of you are going to go to it? Say yeah! Okay, performing is Nonosina as well as Tahiti Creation. They were our special guests this afternoon. They displayed some of Samoa's cultural dances as well as their costumes. Anyways, that was absolutely beautiful.
It was really beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
Love the prints of those.
I know it. And then the drumming all day today and yesterday. Drum beat after drum beat after drum beat make you want to get up and shake it. My heart went out to those that had to shake it at 9 in the morning.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you want to work out.
The overall ones this morning, at 7:30 this morning they had to check in, so they were really...
Yeah, they were over here at 7:30, had to check in and then, wind it up to get ready to get their motor going. So if you want to lose some weight, don't worry about running on the treadmill. Just put some drum beats on and start shaking. Something will fall off, I can guarantee you. The more you shake, the more the things are, things are going to fall off, You're just going to start looking at yourself and say, wow. Right, Tuco? All righty, yo. How's our drummers doing? Boy, they all look good over here. They don't play around looking all ready and stuff, ready to go all in white. Happy Father's Day to all your fathers for tomorrow, okay? Give yourselves a round of applause to all your fathers out there. All right. And now we are ready to rock and roll. First in the Tamari'i, Otea, and Aparima. In second place, Tahiti, Remy and JD Amara.
And in first place, Kabaile Hua.
it. Give them another great big round of applause for these little ones.
Look at all the tears of joy. How sweet.
Oh my gosh, I got tears of joy. Oh my, oh my. They did a wonderful, wonderful job, both of these groups, Tahiti and Kawailehua. These little munchkins came out here and they danced like they wanted to win. In my eyes, they're all winners, all taking first place. Congratulations. Congratulations to each and every one of you guys. All right, then we gathered together for a picture. You know, picture. All right. Smile. Say cheese. Say cheese. Come on in. Hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Woo-hoo. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Our next category is our Hura Ava Tau. We only have a first place winner on this category. Please put your hands together. This is for the Hotel in Aparima. Tahiti. Under the direction of Remy, taking first place. Oh yeah. Congratulations. Take picture.
Waiting for one more judge. She's gotta come in. There she is.
We need our other beauty in there. All right, our next category. Our next category is our Hura Ava Tau. This is in the music. In third place, Tahiti, Remy and Jenny Amara, Arana.
And in second place, Tupua, Stefan and Melanie Siena.
Okay, there she comes. And in first place, is Ohina Anonui, Desiree and Christopher. Ohina Anonui. Congratulations to our winners there in the music category. Coming up is our Ahuroa. And in fourth place, Ohina Ananui. Fourth place. This is for the Ahuroa.
And in third place, Tahiti.
And in second place, Tupua.
And in first place, Kavaili.
Congratulations to each and every one of you. This was our Ahuroa category.
In drumming, creation. In second place, Tahiti. Drumming, creation. And in first place, Ohinaru Nui. In first place, traditional, Ohinaru Nui.
For you that didn't hear it, once again, drumming for traditional went first place to Ohina Ananui for the tradition. congratulations to our tradition first place winners here. All right.
Best Ratira.
Yes, we have the best rattler around, all the way from the island of Costa Mesa to Pua. Best costume, also to Pua. And on Otea, Aparima, in second place. Oh, come on, it's okay, come on.
Alex wants you to run over here right now, Melody, okay? You hear him playing, he wants you to run up here. Once again, they won first place in Best Ra'atira and Best Costume. They got first place in both of these categories. Tapua.
Otea Parima, in second place, all the way from San Francisco, Ohinaunui, from way across the place. And Otea Parima in first place, Tupua.
All right, how about a great big round of applause for our winners there. Thank you so much. Right now we're going to do the overall solo winners. All right, in the beginner, Vahine, number 157, Namenzo Tefare. Okay. This is the beginner Vahine overall, number 157. There she is. Green Barrio. Lovely. And the beginner for the Tane overall is number 168. Villani's Polynesian Dancers. Number 168. All right, 168. Come on down, run on down here. There you go. Another great big round of applause for our overall winners in the beginner category there.
Okay, advanced Bahine overall. So, first of all, we want to say to the winners of this, they get a necklace, they get cash prize, and then a GoPro donated by Polynesian Adventures. Okay, so here we go. For overall winner, Advanced Vahine, contestant number 243, Hiba Katoa, Sydney Strong. Overall Tane, number 257, Nonosina. Ke Kaimana ka ho'o hano hano.
Yeah, you guys are so professional, you knew how to just keep moving until the beat stopped. Another great big round of applause for all of our overall winners.
Yes. Take a picture? Okay, before we move on to the overall group winner, we want to say thank you, a big mahalo, big thank you to Henry George for carving and donating the overall group trophy. Isn't that beautiful? Everybody, I think Henry's back there somewhere. Hi, Henry.
Okay. Can we have Steve come up? Ladies and gentlemen, the overall winner gift has been donated by Puelani. And here's the man that owns Puelani with his wife. See, the wife is the boss. He's the runner.
So the winner of the overall group category is going to be awarded, and they're going to have to divide it between somebody. But we, Matani Kainuku from the Hava International in Tahiti, he's offering a free round-trip ticket to Tahiti for the Hava International events in the Oritaiti World Cup.
All right, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, our overall group winner is Tupua! Direction of Stefan and Melanie Senoa. Come on now. Tupua. Once again, we want to thank each and every one of these groups that came out and put a lot of work in your rehearsals. I know it took time and it shows. May God bless each and every one of you, and maybe next year we will be able to see you. If you could please help us out, the performers, if you have things in the back, please come and get them, and please pick up all your little trash around your little area. We greatly, greatly appreciate it.
Until next year, everyone, we'll see you.
So when they say, may tomorrow be a perfect day, and may you find love and laughter in every way. May God keep you in His tender care until He brings us together again. So from Malana, Alex, and the staff of Hitia Otera, God bless you, and aloha. Aloha.
Uncle, can I borrow your chair?